Hello investors, my name is Akshay Singh and I am the founder of an environmental conservation organization, SAFSAS. SAFSAS aims to provide people a platform uniting them towards reducing air, water and land pollution through projects and innovations. While presently, my organization only seems to be spreading awareness through walkathons, discussion groups, challenges and competitions, it is actually doing something way bigger and more unique. It is uniting diverse groups of people, bringing the young innovators and leaders that are part of the movements and projects together. While I aspire to be an environmental engineer, many others dream of becoming scientists, engineers, architects, etc. And what is so special about these people is that it's young energy. They have ideas, but they don't have a marketplace to enable those ideas to influence other people. On an issue like environment degradation, it is tougher to gather people to implement simple solutions than actually thinking about the solution itself. SAFSAS aims to make their innovations commercial because having an idea is a different thing, but having a marketplace is what enables the idea to be implemented. Their innovations sold in the market will be patented to the organization. We will fund these people and make commercial production of these ideas. The money earned, a percentage will be given to the people, and rest of the money will be there for the growth of the organization. The need to focus on environmental companies is so important right now. Like the coronavirus affected people's health, climate change could affect people in a worse way. Ideas that are left unnoticed, that are left unseen, but that have the potential to change the world. Ideas that will be heard by the entire community. Ideas worth investing in.
SAFSAS, ideas waiting to be invested in.